Bit of a different project this time around. Pauline has done a rough sketch here of a Marian M symbol, an insignia which we are going to transfer onto this custom-made wooden medallion. It's going to be for Our Lady, Mother of the Blessed Sacrament, and it's going to be put up on a wall at Blessed Sacrament Church in Ottawa, Canada. It's going to go behind a statue of Our Lady, and this will be on the wall behind it, and the colors that we're going to apply here are going to match the colors on the statue, which in turn are a match for the colors on the magnificent stained glass windows at Blessed Sacrament Church.
The first layer of sealant is light gray, helping prime the raw wood oval, which was cut and finished to specification. Then we apply a rich blue base to match the statue already at the church.
I transfer the drawing by hand using a Prismacolor crayon to create the blueprint for the full design. You can see the M insignia here taking form step by step. Each area receives at least 3 coats of paint, and without mechanical aid, it can be a little tricky sometimes to get the lines straight with a paintbrush. The final coat of paint inside the monogram is a nice pearlescent white, and this will make the M shimmer. Once the white areas are complete, I move on to base paint the crown. Later, it will be adorned with gems and pearls. In artistic tradition, the Sacred Heart of Jesus is depicted with a crown of thorns, while the Immaculate Heart of Mary is surrounded by flowers.
Except for the lettering, which is still to come, most of the painting now on the Cypher is complete. So we're at the stage where we're going to begin using just a gel version of super glue and putting on the pearls and the various jewels, primarily to adorn the crown area. We're going to strengthen that by using a common gel version of everyday super glue on the back of each jewel to ensure it permanently adheres. The final effect that we're trying to achieve is to have gold lettering with a white trim around it. So the way you do that when you're working with vinyl lettering is first you put down the whole word, the whole phrase in white lettering, and then a slightly smaller version is produced in gold. When it comes off of this 3M backing, it'll be placed very carefully just on top of the white lettering so that the white border will show, but it will be gold and white.
A royal cipher is a monogram of a country's reigning sovereign, typically consisting of 1 or 2 of the monarch's initials surmounted by a crown. Well, we follow the same tradition in creating the Marian cipher, which, completed, is installed above the statue to promote prayers for intercession. Please subscribe for all our statue restoration projects. Thanks for watching.